In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a branded proposal with your logo and colors. Whether you're trying to impress clients or ensure your proposals reflect your unique brand identity, you'll want to stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive way to access a free trial of the software we'll be using so you can follow along and get started right away. Creating a branded proposal is simpler than you might think, and with the right tools, you can have a professional-looking document ready in no time. First things first, let's talk about your brand's look. You'll need to make sure your logo and color scheme are integrated from the start. For most proposals, this means setting up a template in the software we'll be using, ensuring it reflects your brand's visual identity. Open the software and start a new document. You should have a variety of templates available. Choose a proposal template that suits your needs. It's crucial to pick one that leaves room for customization, especially when it comes to colors and logos. Once you've selected the template, we're going to add your logo. Usually, you'll find an image insert option on the top toolbar. Upload your logo and resize it as needed. Position it somewhere visible, typically at the top, so it's easily seen by your clients. Now, let's move on to colors. In most software, you can easily change the color palette by going into the design settings or customizing the theme of your document. Here, you'll adjust the colors to match your branding. You can change the text color, the background, and even the borders. This is where you want to play with your brand's main colors, the ones that make your logo and material stand out. But don't stop there. To make your proposal more impactful, you can adjust fonts as well. Choose a font that aligns with your brand's personality, whether it's bold and modern or classic and professional. Make sure to pick a legible font for easy reading and don't overdo it with too many different font styles. Once the design is set, it's time to dive into content. Add your title, introduction, and body text. Remember, the branding doesn't just come from logos and colors, it's also the tone of your message. Use a consistent voice that matches your business values and approach. For example, if your brand is friendly and approachable, your proposal should reflect that in the language you use. After you've added your text, be sure to add your contact information at the end of the proposal. This might include your website, email, and phone number. But you can also add social media links if relevant to your business. This ensures your client knows exactly how to get in touch with you. Now, before you close up the proposal, double-check that everything looks aligned. Review your document to make sure the text is formatted correctly, images are centered, and colors are cohesive throughout. Small details like this make a big difference when you want to leave a lasting impression. Finally, if you want to get started with this process yourself, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we used in the description below. It's available just for viewers of my channel. Trust me, it'll save you tons of time and make your proposals look far more polished. The key takeaway here is that creating a branded proposal with your logo and colors is all about customization. From picking the right template to adjusting the colors, fonts, and adding your branding elements. By following this simple process, you'll ensure that your proposals not only look professional, but are aligned with your brand's identity. So take advantage of that free trial link in the description below and start creating your branded proposals today. Thanks for watching.